Hey guys, it's Abby from Make Life Your Runway, and I'm here with update number 2 on my 21 and 2021 project pan. So if you like panning, then just keep watching. Here we go. Guys, I'm a little late. I wanted to do monthly, which would have been September 4th posting this, but we're like at the end of September posting this. Look, I do what I can. I did bring back this chair in here. It comes in and out of this room through the years. She's back in here, so love that for us. Okay, so I guess I will just start with products that were finished or expired in the last update. So we'll do that kind of quick fire. So the first one was the Pixie by Petra. This is their liquid lip in pastel petal. This is one that is expired, so she is out. The next expired makeup was ColourPop Lippy Stick. This one has gone bad, so that one is done. I think those were the only two that were like completely like, okay, they're out. So we have actually a good bit of progress to share. Ooh. So let's go with this. I think that was nearly done, but not done. So this is done, the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in Sunkissed. There's some around the edge, but I'm going to go ahead and call it done because I'm not going to like smash it up and press it, and my brush can't pick up anymore. So this one is done. The next one that is done is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance. There's absolutely nothing else that comes out of here. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, that's two. Another one that is completely done is the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer. So in the last update, I was about to take out the stopper, and I did, and there is nothing else in there. I mean, there's some at the very, very bottom, but it's not enough for like one use. And when you pull out the wand, nothing comes off, even when you like scrape the sides. So this is completely done. How exciting. So far that is 3 products that are officially done through using them, not from them becoming expired. So far that is a total of 5 products out. Now we have a lot of products that have a lot of progress. Ooh. Okay. I did post a video that was products I hit pan on, and some products were these, some products were not in projects. So you can check that out if you missed it. And if you missed the intro and the first update, that will be linked down below for you guys to check out as well. I'm also doing a 6 by Santa project pan only on my Instagram. It's just photos, it's not video. That's my first like photo project pan. So there's a lot of pan happening just across my makeup right now. And one thing that is really helping with it is just being in a good routine with makeup, being in a good routine with using the same products over and over, but also still mixing in products from my collection. So that's how we're like in a good groove right now. All right. Next up, for products that have a lot of progress, let me make some room on my table here, is the Too Faced Hangover Major Hangover Rx. I just dropped my eyebrow pencils. This is pretty much like down here. So I'm going to move this into my Makeup Basket Express that lives in my restroom for quick makeup days, and I think I'll be able to get this done by the next update. The next product that has a lot of progress is the Laura Mercier. This is the pressed translucent powder. Look. Come on, focus on me. Focus on me. And like right here, it's like completely bare. Oh yeah, can you see that? Look at that. It's like the light in the mirrors is causing a lot of reflection. This is so finely milled that it's very easy to get in there with a brush. So I use this to set my under eyes, and then once all of my makeup's done, I'll go through again and set them, and that's like what this brightness is that you see. So I definitely think by the next update, we'll basically be done with that. So I really believe in myself to get those 2 done. That's a ton of progress. Product that I have a lot of progress on, I don't think it'll be done by the next update, but we're doing really well, is the Tarte. This is just a mini of the exposed highlight, and I've been using this almost every day. Look. Ooh, yes. Okay. Love that for us. So good. So good. So these 2, I think the next update I'll definitely have more done, if not all, but it feels good to see that much progress, especially for products that are a little bit older in my collection. So love that for us. Another product that has a lot of use, don't think it'll be done by the next time, but this Revolution Contour Kit, we're just moving and grooving. It is broken. So this one fell, so that's like, we can't count that. But this one has a bigger pan in it. This one has a huge dip. I think pan will be hit soon on it. These 2 bronzers I haven't really used, so they haven't really made progress. Bigger dip on there, or bigger pan I should say. We're getting a dip here, and this one is getting a dip as well. So definitely making the pans bigger. My goal is to have kind of big dips in all of them by the end of the year, and maybe finish these 2. I don't know that that's possible. I know for sure I won't be able to pan the whole palette like 100%, but I think that we're gonna get farther. I believe in myself and my use of this that we will get farther, but it's like almost Play-Doh. Like, it's not breaking me out, but it's like, it's time's almost here, you know? So, you know, that might be kind of gross, but here we are. Okay, another product, it's broken, so we gotta be careful. Ciate Blush in Summer Love. It probably looks about the same since you saw it last. It's still crumbled up. I'm still using it, just very, very gently. So still using it, haven't made a lot of progress, but still using that. Started using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. We're going to move this into the Makeup Basket Express as well to be used alongside the Too Faced Hangover RX. I think these 2 will be a really nice duo because they're both very hydrating, very natural, very easy to apply. So I don't think I'll be done with this by the next update, but I definitely see a lot of progress coming my way with this particular product. So I feel good about that. I feel good. I really like this foundation, and I probably wouldn't have it in here, but it does have an expiration date at the bottom, which is the end of next month. And I'm okay going past that a couple of months, but I definitely want to make sure it's like not 2022 and I'm still using it when it says it expired in 2021. So that's where we are with this. Still making a lot of progress in this Stila Kitten Heavenly Hue highlighter. This is like a cream to powder type formula, but definitely making a lot of progress here. You can see more pan, and this part is wearing down a lot more than it was in the last update. So feels good. Like a lot of pan. I can see like the lines even in places that I can't see pan. And I use this almost every day, at least every day that I do makeup in here. I just put it on the tops of my cheeks and then put a powder one on top. So, I mean, I'm doing my job. I'm doing my job, all right? Some products, I just can't. I don't know what's wrong. I can't remember if this NYX Wonder Stick was actually in here or I just put it with my project pan, but either way, haven't used it in a long time. Laura Mercier Highlight 01. Haven't touched it since our last update, so the progress is absolutely the same. Haven't touched it. Haven't touched it. The L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder. Have not touched this since our last update. I've been focusing on some other ones. So I have goals that maybe in a month I can start working on this and see what we can do with it. Haven't touched the No Problem Primer, and I looked on the bottom and it actually, oh, I was thinking it, yeah, 2021. Okay, it expires in 2021 at the end of November. So I'm hoping once I finish the Hangover Rx, I can slide this one in. It's about halfway done, and maybe we can, you know, finish it like, just like I said with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. It's okay if it goes past a little bit the expiration date, but I don't want to be hanging in 2022 with makeup that expired in 2021. So I'm okay with a couple month buffer, but I definitely don't want to roll it into another year with it being expired. Haven't used the NYX Advent Pop eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, the eyebrow pencil fell again. I did pull it in my weekly makeup basket to at least get one use out of it for this year, but I don't think I've touched it at all this year. If I did, it was maybe in January, but I haven't touched it since then, so I don't know what to think about that. I have, alright, we're down to the last few items. I have been using these even though they don't have a lot of progress. This is the Buxom Lip Gloss in White Russian, so I've been using it more. And then Buxom Mini Lip Gloss and Dolly. Been using this more as well. Doesn't have a lot of progress, and they both have been laying on their side, so it's hard to see right now where they're at. But I love this formula so much. I just haven't been reaching for it, so need to work on that. And then the L'Oreal Brow Stylist are the last two items that I've been reaching for a little bit more often. These are in dark blonde, and it's like the wider one and the more narrow one. I've been using them more, but still not reaching for them enough to finish them up this year. I think it's okay to roll them over if I don't finish them, but I just need to get my act together and focus on these because they are like the older, I should say the oldest brow pencils in my collection. I'm going to roll them up. So good bit, especially in that bottom one. So I think compared to last time's update, we are doing so good. We're in a good spot with some products were in the same spot, but I think we're making moves. But I want to make some predictions because I like ending each video with predictions. So the ones that I said that I haven't used very much since the last update or haven't used at all, we're just going to leave those in a category of I'm trying. Those are that I'm doing my best. The Revolution, I think I'll continue to use this, but I don't know that you'll see very much progress. So that one, I don't know. This one's kind of hard to tell progress, but I'm going to keep using it. It won't be done. I think the ones that will be done are the Hangover Rx. I think that will be done. I think that the Laura Mercier Pressed Powder, I think that one will be done by the next update. I think this one is going to be half gone compared to this, but I don't think it's going to be done. And I think that the Tarte Expose is going to be a little bit more done than this, but I don't think it's going to be completely done. So I guess I'm really just banking on these two being completely done by the next update and then just seeing more progress in the other ones. But I guess we have, so this is September, you'll see an update in October, November, and December. So we still have enough time that even if I finish these and have progress on, you know, these, have progress again, that would be like done. So I think by December we'll be in a pretty good place, but right now we're just working, okay? We're doing what we can. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for enjoying my project pans. You guys always leave so many positive comments, and they're like my most viewed videos, so I know that you guys enjoy them. So thank you so much for being here, being in this update. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!